Replacement guide for wear parts of air compressors and vacuum pumps. Required tools and accessories. Step 1. Replace the silencer filter element. Step 2. Replace the intake and exhaust valve plates. Use a heat gun to heat the screws for easier removal. Step 3. Replace the cylinder and diaphragm. Align the 4 holes and diaphragm orientation. Tilt the cylinder 45 degrees and rotate it into place. Step 4. Reassembly. Ensure the correct installation direction, aligning the threads and grooves. Tighten the screws diagonally.